Worried about leaving your Wix mobile app logged in on a shared device? Let's ensure your website's security by logging out properly. First, locate the Wix mobile app on your phone and tap the icon to open it. Once the app is open, you'll typically land on your site dashboard or a similar home screen now. Look for the profile icon or menu button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. It has 3 horizontal lines. Tap that menu button that will take you to the app's menu and settings, and then select the settings option. It sometimes also has a gear icon. Within the settings menu, look for the account or general area where account options are located. Tap on your account option. Scroll down until you see the sign out option, typically located at the bottom of the account settings. It's often in red or a different color to draw attention to it. Tap the sign out button. The app might ask you to confirm that you want to sign out. If a confirmation message appears, tap yes or confirm to proceed with signing out. Give the app a moment to process. You'll be redirected to the Wix mobile app login screen, confirming that you have successfully signed out. Now your website and account information are safe.